But I look like Sky. Do you know what someone said to me the other day? Someone said I look like Gal, what was her name? Gal Gadot. And I was like, that's great. Good song, yes. Real love. To your mother. Hi Russell. Right guys, if you're in here, tap that screen, share the live, share it with anyone, repost it, and if you could please send the heart me, or the community hearts, that'd be great. Don't go crying to your mother. Nick, are you a moderator? To your mother. Cause you're on your own in the real world. Can you block this person who keeps saying I look like random celebrities? Ain't it fun living in the real world? Thank you. Really, I don't take requests. Also, you haven't sent the heart me. Like, sometimes I take requests from, like, Nick or moderators or people that have contributed, but I don't just take sound requests from anyone, okay? Thanks, Skids, for the heart, mate. My hair is really, like, I put conditioner in it and I don't think I've washed it well. Don't go crying to your mother, cause you're on your own in the real world. Hey Scott, thank you for the heart me, Brayley. Hi Chief. What's up, Scott? Make sure you're sending your heart me's, guys. And if you could all repost and share, that would be a great help for me. Cause you're on your own in the real world. Thank you, Brady, for reposting. I see you. In the real world. Once I've done the washing up, I will probably sit down. I'm gagging for a coffee. You're super stunning. Oh my god, thank you. I don't look like Taylor Swift though. Like, I know that's right. I know I don't look like Taylor Swift. I'm also not even close to being as tall as Taylor Swift. I think she's like, what is she, like 5'10"?